Hello, young lady. Remember that phones aren't allowed, right? Let's check. Come on, hand it over. All right, now you can pass. Ooh, free calls. Nice.
Shh! Watch this. Just add glue to the pencils. Stick the case on like this. Done! Just slide the phone in. Perfect!
Going to class, huh? Let me check you first. Looks fine. Go on.
Easy peasy. Hey, check out my new notebook. Whoa! But wait, that's not all.
Look at this one.
Cool! And this one. No way! Yep, prettiest notebooks in school. They're gorgeous! Let's see what I've got. Oh, seriously? Just this? Total fail.
Huh? Her notebook looks ancient.
No worries. I know what to do. Let's grab a better one and, work on it a little. First, draw something cute. Start with a sketch. Yeah, Stitch. Everyone loves him. Now let's color it in. I'll use the same colors as the real one. Nice! Cut the page to match the shape. Then draw a big grid on the next page. Now add the subject name. This one will be for English. Just like that. Done! New notebook complete. It looks awesome! Hey, check it out! Wow! Made it for you. Thanks! You like it? Great! Now we both have cool notebooks. Nice! It's perfect! Oh! Looks like class is over. Well, I'm off. Whoa! No! Your stuff! Oh, did anything break? No. But I've got too much to carry. Oh! I've got an idea. I'll fix that for her. I know what to do. First, cut a strip of paper and bend it like this. Now start drawing at the edges with a black marker. Let's go for a Hello Kitty vibe. She'll love that. Flip it over. And add a couple of magnets just like this. Done! Ugh. Wait, stop! Look here! Listen to me! I made something for you! Just clip the pens together like this. And put it all into the notebook. Done. See?
Wow! That's awesome!
So much easier. Thanks.
Huh? Break's already over. Darn it. So, young lady, you know why you're being punished. You lied to your teacher.
Huh?
Lying is bad. Ugh. Good girls don't lie, and today you'll learn that lesson. Write this line 100 times. Go.
Fine. Which pen to use? This one will do. This is so boring.
Hey! No sleeping!
What?
Keep writing.
Yeah, I'm writing. Ugh, this'll take forever. Wait a second. Got it! Just grab one pen and add a few more. Now wrap them all with tape. Add another piece here to make sure they'll stay together. Done! Wow, that'll speed things up. Nice, it works!
Phew! Finally! Ahem! What? Need more time?
Actually, I'm done. See?
That was fast! Fine, you can go.
I'm outta here. He's awake! Look how cute he is! What?
Oh, my whole body's numb!
Ew! How can you even like him? Come on, just look at him!
Oh yeah, I'm the best. Hey baby, what's up?
Told you he's handsome. Okay, whatever you say. I'm gonna write him a note. Done. Now fold it into a plane. Like this. Fly!
Ooh, a coin!
Oh, it didn't reach. Oh, I know. Let's try the simple way.
Ouch!
Oh, nothing works! Let me show you how it's done. First, cut a sheet like this. Fold it into a little box. Decorate it. Done. Now grab another sheet and cut out a heart. Fold it into a tiny envelope like this. Make a few and put them in the box. Add a cute bow. Done! Perfect. Here, this'll help.
Wow, this is adorable!
Let's try this again. He'll definitely notice this one. Here, this is for you.
Huh? What's this?
Finally!
Oh, how sweet! Same here! It's exam day! Start working!
Time to sneak a peek! Oh yeah! Nice!
Is that a phone? Give it to me! Now! I'm watching you!
Darn! Guess I'll go old school. Good thing I came prepared. Hey!
What?
Help me! Pull the cheat sheet!
It's so huge!
Whoa! Uh-oh!
What's this? Hand it over! Such a long cheat sheet! Unbelievable!
Well, back to it. Whoa! What's that? Cool! How did you do that? Shh! I'll show ya. Take 2 rulers and slide the cheat sheet inside. Tape it up. Fold it. Done. See? Here. Now you can copy.
No one's getting past me!
Ooh. Hello!
You're taking that into class?
Can I?
No!
Not fair!
Wait! Jump for me! What's this? Busted!
Oops.
Go on. Kids these days.
Hello, teacher.
No food allowed in class.
That's not a problem. Just grab a blister pack and empty it. Now melt some chocolate with a hairdryer. Perfect. Now make a little cut right here. And fill the blister up with chocolate. Seal it again. Done. I'm back.
What's that?
Oh, just my medicine.
Of course. Go ahead, dear.
Thought you were sick. Smells like chocolate. Is that from you?
No.
All right, quiet. Knew it! Share with me! Yummy.
All right, show me your projects.
Behold my volcano. Like it? Kinda big, don't you think, Teach?
I guess you're right.
Are you kidding me? And here's my experiment. Look, this is how pressure works underwater. So, what do you think?
Wow, that's amazing!
What? No way! How did you do that? I'll show ya. First, cut the straws like this. And glue on some googly eyes. Grab a couple paper clips, link them, and attach the straw piece. Then grab a bottle and drop the little figures inside. Now take a funnel and fill the bottle with water. All the way up. Close the cap, and when you squeeze it, that's the effect.
Whoa, that's really cool!
Whee!